Guys, the price of Bitcoin has just hit the $12,000 levels that we were expecting in the last few days, and we're going to see in this video if this resistance is going to hold, and we're going to come back down to the $11,200 levels to retest this support, or we're going to be here for a couple of days and break out and go to our next target. Also in this video, I want to show you the last Bitcoin cycle and the cycle before that, and I will show you the Wall Street cheat sheet cycle. So this is how cycles move. We go through disbelief, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, and I will show you where we're currently at in this cycle now for Bitcoin. Also, we're going to check the cryptocurrency market and why Bitcoin is up 2.4% and the rest of the altcoins are bleeding. We'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, which is currently below 62%, and that's why the altcoins are bleeding. We'll be discussing that. Also in the news for today, prominent crypto strategist says parabolic Bitcoin rally imminent as Bitcoin shows signs of decoupling from S&P 500. So if you're interested in this news, you better stay till the very end. Hello and welcome back to Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. We have finally arrived at $12,000 levels. As you can see here, there's this huge resistance. We might hang around here for a couple of days, see if we're going to hold the $12,000 area and break to the upside. If we do, I think the next stop is going to be the $13,200 levels, which we peaked out in July of 2019. This was over a year ago. But as you can see on the charts, the $12,000 level is huge resistance. On the 6th of August, we hit it from 2019, and we currently hit it the last couple of months several times here, as you can see in the charts. If this doesn't hold, next stop down will be again the $11,200 levels, which is a strong support, as you can see here, and has been strong resistance. So it is a place that we can go in the next few days. So this, I'm in a no trade zone. The trade that I took was I'm already out, which is in the $12,000 levels. I was expecting that target. Now I'm fully out. I'm in the no trade zone right now. So I'm not putting any trades at all unless we break the $12,000 levels, or even if we break to the downside, the $11,200 levels. Around this area, I am not placing any trade because I do not know where the price can probably go. So that's going to be at the technical analysis for today. And now I want to talk about the Bitcoin last couple of cycles. We're going to go to see this last cycle here. We can see the top out here in 2017, late 2017. December at almost $19,500, and from the price now 3 years after, in October of 2020, the price is down 40%. So this is 3 years after the top of the cycle at late 2017. And if we go to the last cycle, which the Bitcoin price topped out in December 2013 at $1,100. If we see 3 years after that, in October, that would be October of 2016, the price is down 47%. So we're not that down from even the last cycle. So this is great bullish news. And look what happened straight after the 3 years after the halving, because the Bitcoin price moves in 4-year cycles. Look what happened after October. We came into November, then December, and as you can see here, we went to the all-time high. So 2 months after October, in December, we went to the all-time highs, and after that, we can see we went to the huge parabolic phase of the 2017 huge bull market and topped out at almost $20,000. And then the bubble popped. We went into this multi-year bear market, and now we are sitting at the $12,000 levels, down 40% as I showed you before. And I think we can see this huge correlation with the Wall Street cheat sheet. As you can see here, I do believe we're in this area here, in the disbelief area. And after that comes hope, optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria. So this is just the start of the parabolic phase in the next 12 to 18 months, guys. This is going to happen. As you can see in the last cycle here, we can see this area right here, accumulation phase, 2015, 2017. You can see in the cheat sheet, this is anger, this is depression, all this down here. So this is multi-year. Nobody believes it's going to work. This is not going to go anywhere. It's going to zero. This is the end of this cycle. And no, guys, as you can see in the late 2016, we were just here on the disbelief area after anger. As we can see in the Wall Street sheet, anger, depression, then comes disbelief. So this was anger, depression, starting to disbelieve. Is this rally going to start, or is it just a fake out? So then what happened after this, is just the cycle starts off just again and again. As you can see on the top right, there's disbelief, and as you can see, it's there. And hope, optimism starts to kick in. And this is what happens in October, November, and December of 2016. We're just about to hit the all-time highs. We hit the all-time highs, and the price, as you can see, crashed down. More than $300. This is over 30%. So people start to panic here and saying, right, that's it, all-time highs, sell all your Bitcoin, we're going down. And no, guys, this is the phase where you optimism and then belief, time to get fully invested. This is what happens when you break the all-time highs and we enter this huge parabolic phase. So I think we are in the disbelief area now. We still need to go through the hope, and hope comes when we're almost hitting the all-time highs. And then once we crash out the all-time highs, then optimism, this rally is real, it's happening. So that's what I think is going to happen when we reach the all-time highs. This is going to be in a few months. I do not know if it's going to be in 3 months, 4, 6, but it's going to happen before the end of next year. And now we're going to take a look at the cryptocurrency market. We can see Bitcoin is in the green and the altcoins are in the red. Most of the altcoins are going down in value. We can see Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, VeChain, Chainlink, all of the altcoins are bleeding right now. And why is this, you ask yourself? Because the Bitcoin dominance is currently at almost 62%. It was just sitting around 60% in the last couple of weeks, and now is currently at 62%. So it's had a bit of a rally. It's had a 2% surge to the upside, and this means that more money is going into Bitcoin than in altcoins. Maybe the money from altcoins are coming out to get into Bitcoin, and now we're retesting this huge resistance. So we're probably going to break out, yes, maybe in the next few weeks, or we're going to sit around and come back down, and maybe the alt season will come back again. Altcoins will be in the green, and Bitcoin, there's a heavy market cap on Bitcoin, will hold nicely, and especially now that the Bitcoin rally is just about to start. And taking a look at the news of the day, we can see prominent crypto strategist says parabolic Bitcoin rally imminent as BTC shows signs of decoupling from S&P 500. Scrolling down to the news, we can see a number of crypto traders are expressing their bullish sentiment on Bitcoin after BTC rallied amid an S&P 500 sell-off, indicating the crypto king's correlation with traditional markets may be coming to an end. On Monday, the world's leading cryptocurrency climbed as high as $11,835, up by 3.4% while the S&P 500 tanked 1.63%. We were talking about this in yesterday's video, as we could see the Dow Jones crashing and the Bitcoin price going up. The unusual failure in correlation caught the attention of financial markets editor Holger Chapitz, who told his 140,000 followers that Bitcoin is emerging as a relative oasis of calm and outperformance. Bitcoin rallies to almost $12,000 while stocks stumble as the cryptocurrency is emerging as a relative oasis of calm and outperformance. Crypto fans are closely watching the $12,000 levels as a major hurdle to cross before it can embark on a bigger rally. The apparent decoupling of BTC and the S&P 500 is being closely watched by crypto traders. Analyst Credible Crypto says Monday's price action offers a taste of how BTC and the S&P 500 will move in opposite directions in the coming years while Bitcoin climbs higher. Guys, this is going to be it for today's video. Feel free to look at the Bitcoin Census website. There's incredible information here. How to buy Bitcoin, how to trade Bitcoin, how to store Bitcoin. You got incredible bonuses here on trading platforms. This last news here, investors piling into Bitcoin as Dow Jones crashes. We were talking about this in yesterday's video. If you like this content, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.